various types of lighting with a single strobe. This time, I will take a photo using mimosa, which has a seasonal feel. In this video, I will show you the difference in lighting when shooting with these flowers or dried flowers when you only have one strobe. In fact, this is the only mimosa I used at this location. In a photo, they would be more voluminous. First, let's take a picture without a strobe. There's a window with natural light coming in 10 meters in front of the subject, so the natural light from the front is hitting the subject. It is a little underexposure, and the image looks flat. The subject does not look very three-dimensional. However, since the aperture is open, the mimosa in the foreground is broad, giving a sense of depth. Next, I aim the light from the front right directly to the person. This time, I use Godox 8200. The subject face is illuminated by hard light, making it look flat. Furthermore, the hard shadows of the light hitting the mimosa also appear clearly on the wall, making it unattractive. I want to soften the light, so I'm going to bounce the 8200 off the left wall. The light is softer and the subject looks nice. However, the shadow on the right is dark and I would like to make it a little more fluffy. Next time, I'm going to make it semi-backlit to make the whole image fluffier and to make the mimosa look even more beautiful. I will point the 8200 toward the camera from the back left of the person and press a large reflector board in front of the left and bounce it. Since it is backlit, the mimosa looks beautiful in the transmitted light. The light hitting the person is soft and very nice. However, the light from the strobe entered the lens and caused strong halation. To soften the direct light, I will bounce the strobe off the back left wall and then bounce the light onto the reflector. The halation is reduced and the overall image is fluffier and very nice. But one more time, I want to make the shadows brighter. So at the end, I place a reflector board on the right side as well. The image is soft with just a little bit of halation. The subject stands out and the mimosa looks nice. When using flowers or dry flowers, use backlighting as much as possible so that the flowers look beautiful in the transmitted light. By being careful about halation, you can take beautiful pictures of your subject. Everyone, try it out.